Hi viewers, I know it has been quite a long time I uploaded any recipe, so I thought this is the best time to upload tangdi kebab. Well, frankly, this recipe is very close to me because the goodness of this recipe indeed has inspired me to make many new kebab recipes. Malai kebab is actually waiting for you. Well, this is a special recipe because in which I am telling you how to make in both oven and also without a tandoor. I'm helping you to make it on pan. So firstly I'm going to take 6 joints or the leg piece of chicken. It is better to make slits like this. This helps all the masala we coat with, especially the lemon, to go through the chicken and make it very flavorful. The more number of scars you make and the more lemon you apply to the pieces of chicken, the more time you marinate, indeed enhances the taste of your recipe. Well, I have ordered these chicken online. There will be slight difference on the time of marination for both online chicken or the chicken you get freshly from store. These are basically frozen chicken. Now I'm adding half cup of curd. Well, usually hung curd is used for this recipe. It is very simple. You have to take a muslin cloth or a cheese cloth, hang curd for about 2 hours, which will again form like paneer. Now I'm also going to add some cream. I basically like the fresh cream flavor to chicken always, so 1/4 cup of fresh cream. Here comes the garam masala and all other masalas. Well, I'm not adding much masala to any of them. I'm only adding 3-4 tablespoons of garam masala. Very important, ginger and garlic paste. So 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 3-4 tablespoons of salt and half tablespoon of pepper. Now you can also add some more masalas if you'd like it spicy, but basically tangdi kebab is something that is not so spicy. So that's why I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of coriander. I made sure my coriander is fresh. Also the garam masala had been freshly made at home, which enhances the taste. Always remember, store-bought garam masala does give some taste, but the masala made at home takes the recipe to the next level. Now if you felt the amount of coriander I added was too much, you can simply just reduce it. Now we have to marinate it. Basically I prefer marinating this for overnight like we do in biryanis. I'm also going to add 1 lemon. You can increase the lemon according to your taste, but I feel that 1 lemon to this quantity of chicken is must. Also enough, I'm going to add 2 chilli. I basically didn't prefer to add red chilli powder and hence I'm adding chilli. Make sure you cut it in very small pieces so that it easily gets mixed with them. If you want me to share another recipe like this where you basically stuff it inside the scars we made, then do let me know in the comment section. There had been many new versions of kebabs nowadays, especially cheese loaded kebab. Now once I have done this properly, basically looking at the recipe you can feel it a lengthy recipe, but then please understand this is not at all something what you think. It is very simple. Now I am properly coating this. I am showing you first how to make it on pan. I am going to add some oil and then fry it in oil until the gravy or the curd evaporates. Turn it in between and add oil simultaneously. Well, it took me 20 minutes to fry this completely. You can try it with green chutney, which recipe is already posted in the channel. Well, if you want me to tell you how it is made in oven, please check the description box. I have given you at the degree where you have to bake it or grill it to make it in oven. If you want me even to share a recipe which is made in tandoor, then do let me know in the comment section.